Hello friends, welcome to Suntech BD. In this video, I will show you how to recover your UEFAS account on your phone. If you change your mobile device or need to restore your UEFAS account, just follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. Friends, welcome back after intro. Now I will show by simple steps how to recover your UEFAS account. Step number 1, download and install your UEFAS apps from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Step number 2, now tap to open your UEFAS apps. Step number 3, select the language English or Arabic, then continue. Step number 4, tap I have an existing account on this option. Step number 5, accept the condition. I have read the terms and condition. Then accept. Now enter your valid Emirates ID number. Then continue. Step number 7, verify your identity using face verification, selfie or OTP. Now click on continue face verification on this option. Face verification successful. You have successfully verified your account. Now click on continue recovery. Then confirm. Step number 8, create a new 4-digit PIN. Then re-enter your new PIN. Account recovery successful. Your UEFAS account has been successfully recovered. Then click Done. Friends, I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our latest video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Assalamu alaikum.